5 tips to increase Samsung Galaxy Watch's battery standby time. Samsung Galaxy Watch series is among the best WearOS watches, but the biggest drawback is the battery life, which ranges from a day to 2 on a single charge. Several apps contribute to the consumption of the user's wristwatch battery, including background apps and ION internet networks. However, if users want to extend the battery life of their Galaxy Watch, here are a few tips and tricks for increasing the standby time. Turn off always-on display. The always-on display is one of the most convenient ways to rapidly check a user's Galaxy Watch, but it's also one of the most battery-intensive options. The company claims that the Galaxy Watch 5 will last roughly 30 hours with the always-on display switched on, while turning it off would last about 40 hours on a single charge. To disable the always-on display on Galaxy Watch, navigate to Settings, press Display, then set the always-on display option to off. Reduce app notifications. Galaxy Watch battery may be drained because it's continuously monitoring the user's phone for alerts. If users are receiving a lot of alerts on their wristwatches from apps they don't use very frequently, there's an easy method to decrease them. To do it, open the wearable app on their phone, tap on Watch Settings, then select Notifications. Proceed to tap on App Notifications, and the user will see a list of apps that can send notifications to their watch. Filter out the apps that you deem essential and are allowed on your watch. Moreover, the users will see a noticeable increase in their smartwatch's battery life. Disable NFC. The Samsung Galaxy Watch allows users to rapidly make NFC payments with the Samsung Wallet app. However, users prefer to make purchases using their phone, so blocking NFC on the wristwatch may be beneficial. Moreover, if users have installed the NFC fast tile to their Galaxy Watch, just swipe down from the top and press the tile to display the chip. Alternatively, the user may stop the capability by accessing the Settings app on their watch, selecting Connections, and turning off NFC and contactless payments. Turn off continuous heart monitoring. If the user doesn't mind their Galaxy Watch not constantly recording the heart rate, the user may configure it to record it every 10 minutes or turn it off completely if there's no requirement. Whereas altering the option might limit the smartwatch's health tracking capabilities. It can also help to preserve battery life. To alter the setting, open the wearable app on your phone, hit Samsung Health, and then on the next screen, adjust the heart rate option to every 10 minutes when still or manual only. Disable Hey Bixby detection. If users don't use voice assistants on their wristwatches, such as Samsung Bixby, it's preferred to disable the hardware key detection, which operates in the background. To disable the function, start Bixby on the watch and select Open Bixby Settings. The voice assistant will then display a screen where the user can switch off the voice wake-up keyword.